Hello, my dear friends. Once again, A.S.S Science Foundation is here with a very special success story of one of our student, PAWAN Kumar. So Pawan Kumar basically belongs to Bihar and he has done his master's in environmental sciences. Then he was preparing with us for NET-JRF environmental sciences as well as GATE environmental science and engineering. In that series, he qualified both NET-JRF environmental sciences and GATE environmental science and engineering in very first attempt. Then he was preparing hard for the interview and entrances of the Institute of Importance in India like IIT, IISERS, CSIR Labs, ISC Bangalore. In that series, he qualified the entrance and interview for the Department of Environmental Engineering, IIT Bombay, for the PhD program. Subsequently, he joined the PhD program at IIT Bombay. So on this remarkable feat, our whole team would like to congratulate Pawan Kumar on such a remarkable feat and wish him good luck for the PhD journey. At present, the institute is offering NET-JRF environmental sciences in offline, online, and correspondence with video mode for June 2023, and GATE environmental science and engineering and ecology evolution for 2024. So those who are interested, they can approach us. Along with that, the master's level program, the CUET PG, environmental sciences and other life sciences program is also offered. The interview training program for the PhD, masters, and if the people are willing to do their PhD or masters from Europe or USA is also available with the institute. So those people who are interested, they can reach us. Once again, we would like to congratulate our student Pawan Kumar for such a remarkable feat. Thank you.